My name is Corey Strange. I own several A-rated companies, including businesses based right here in Denver, Colorado, one of the toughest, smartest markets in the country. And the reason I built Web Design Pros 365 is the same reason you are watching this right now. I got taken. More than once. 6 months of SEO work, good money spent, real effort put in, and I end up on page 2 of Google, if I was lucky. Meanwhile, my competitors, who I know for a fact are not better than me, are getting the calls. I was frustrated, and I was tired of people selling me things I did not understand. Here is what changed everything for me. More than 80% of people, including you and me, are now searching for businesses using AI. ChatGPT, Google AI, Perplexity, Claude. Why? Because it is faster, it gives you real reasons behind the results, and it hands you a call button or a booking link right there on the screen. But here's the thing nobody is telling you. AI can only return what it can read. Think of it like Braille. A person who reads Braille can only read what their fingers can actually touch. AI works the same way. It can only see websites built with the right technology, schema markup, on modern frameworks like Next.js. Old websites, WordPress, GoDaddy, Wix, basic HTML, AI cannot read them. So even if you have been in business 20 years and are genuinely better than your competitor, AI is sending your customers to them, not you. That is not a Google problem. That is a technology problem. And it has a real solution. At Web Design Pros 365, we build websites AI can read, rank, and recommend. We explain everything in plain language, show you the proof, and we do not put you on a 6-month hamster wheel hoping something happens. Trust me is not good enough. We know that. So we show you. Schedule a free, no-pressure consultation. No jargon, no games. Just straight answers on what it takes to get in front of the people already looking for you.